Hello students, welcome to the class of SYBCOM. Dear students, in this pandemic situation arise due to COVID-19, we are not able to enjoy our regular method of teaching learning process. But due to modern technology, we can continue learning with it. Today, we are going to learn nature of management, scope of management, and need of management study. Meaning and definition of management. Introduction of management. The role of management is becoming more and more difficult and challenging in the modern world. The success of any business depends upon proper and efficient management. Management plays significant important role in every types of organization. Meaning of management. Management is called the brain or soul of an enterprise because it is responsible for planning, organizing, directing, staffing and controlling the activities of the organization. There are some who describe management as a technique of leadership and decision making, while some others have analyzed management as an economic resource, a factor of production, or a system of authority. The various definition of management. The first definition is Theo Haimann. Management is the function of getting things done through people and directing the effect of individual towards a common objective. Second definition is Henry Fayol. To manage is to forecast, to plan, to organize, to command, to coordinate, and to control. In this slide, now we will discuss nature of management. The first point is management is universal activity. Management is universal in nature. All the organization, irrespective of their nature, type, size, and purpose, management is required for managing their activities. Second point is goal-oriented. Every organization is set up with a predetermined objective and management helps in reaching those goals timely and smoothly. Management activities are directed towards the attainment of objectives that are pre-planned. Third point is management is a continuous process. Management is a continuous or never-ending function. All the functions of management are performed continuously. For example, planning, organizing, staffing, directing and controlling are performed by all the managers all the time. It is an ongoing mechanism in which new plan and new policies are implemented to achieve organizational goals. Thus, management is a continuous process. Next point is management is intangible. Management function cannot be physically seen, but its presence can be felt. The process of management cannot be seen or touched. The techniques, theories, concepts and practices of management are practically invisible. The next point is management is a dynamic function. An organization has to adapt to the environment in order to success. Thus, management is dynamic in nature and adapt to the ever-changing social, economic and political conditions. Next point is composite process. Management consists of series of functions which must be performed in a proper sequence. These functions are not independent of each other. The main functions of management are planning, organizing, staffing, directing, and controlling. Organizing cannot be done without doing planning. Next point is management is an activity for getting things done through others. Managers perform managerial functions planning, organizing, directing, etc. for getting things done through and with others. Next point is management is a group activity. Management always refers to a group of people involved in managerial activities. The management functions cannot be performed in isolation. Each individual performs his role at his situation, status, and department, and then only management function cannot be executed. Next point is management involves decision making. Management involves decision making while performing functions, planning, organizing, directing and controlling. Managers have to make decisions. Management is a decision making process and the decisions are involved in all the functions of management. Next point is management is a profession. With the development of theory and practice of management, claims is lately been made of its being recognized as profession. In the same way as law, medicine, engineering, and teaching, management is becoming a profession because there are established principles of management which are being applied in practice. Next point is management is multidisciplinary discipline. Management is multidisciplinary because it includes knowledge from various disciplines: economics, statistics, mathematics, history, psychology, and sociology, and operation research. The knowledge from information technology has proved to be a boon for management discipline. So, these were the various points of nature of management. Next part is scope of management. The first point is production management. Production management focuses on the transformation process of inputs and raw materials into finished products to satisfy the needs of the consumers. Production management deals with aspects such as production planning, quality control and inspection, production control techniques, etc. Thereafter, next point is marketing management. The marketing of goods produced is equally important in today's competitive world. Unless the product is made known to the customers, it is very difficult to market it. Marketing management is concerned with those activities which ensure the flow of goods and services from producer to consumer to satisfy the needs of the society. Next point is human resource management. It is a modern approach of managing people at the workplace which focuses on acquisition, development, training, integration, and maintenance of human resource. This area of management has a very wide scope and management skills are essential for this as mismanagement of human resource immediately affects to the organization. Next point is purchasing management. The raw material is the most important factor of production, which decide the quality and cost of the product. Purchasing management is concerned with the activities for procurement of raw material, stores and supplies, tools, equipment, machinery and services required to produce certain goods and services. Next point is office management. Office management is the technique of planning, organizing, coordinating and controlling office activities to achieve business objectives. Office management includes the selection of office location, adopting appropriate office layout, staffing function, office form design, control, office appliance and machines, giving the best services from office to different parties or people. Next point is research and development management. Research and development management involves innovating new products, new designs, raw material, tools, equipment, machinery, production process, etc. So, these were the various points of scope of management. I hope all of you must have understood these points of scope of management. In this slide, now we will discuss need of management study. Management skills are one of the most essential quality of an effective employee. Management in every organization is essential to achieve the organizational goal. The first point is new challenges require new business models. Managers who have sound technical knowledge can understand the fundamental connections between businesses the environment and society. Thus, management study has become essential for every firm and individual. Second point is optimum utilization of resources. Management is learning to organize the available resources in an efficient way to achieve the organizational goals. Thus, management as a science needs a proper study to avoid wastage and achieve efficiency. Third point is innovation. Management studies encourage innovation in the organization, which makes the organization more competitive and efficient. Next point is developing human resource. Management studies help individuals and businesses to develop a talented workforce that can be expected to tackle complex situation and relationship with the client of any organization. Next point is encourages teamwork. Management studies encourage employees to develop a team spirit. Team working in coordination are bound to be more successful than individual efforts. Next point is bridging the gap. Modern management bridges the gap between businesses, school, and the industry. Next point is initiative. Management studies encourage ideas and initiatives. Initiative happens when the right thing is done at the right time, without being told by someone else. Employees who do not wait for the instruction to perform the right things at the right time are said to take the initiative. Last point is management in ideas developing economy. In a developing country like India, the significance of management can hardly be overemphasized. Higher efficiency and higher productivity can give hope to the people, as more than 60% of them are living below the poverty line. So, this was all about today's lecture. I hope you all have understood the concept well. Thank you.